Here we're in front of the new construction sign for the new townhomes that are happening here in Palm Harbor. It's a new project by D.R. Horton called Harbor Landing, and there's 56 homes for this new home sites here, and they are 1,400 square feet, 3-bedroom. 2.5 bath, 1-car garage, and 2-car parking in front of the home. It's going to be an outstanding opportunity for you to take advantage of living so close to Tarpon, downtown, and close to the Tampa area. So reach out to learn more about what's happening here at Harbor Landing in Palm Harbor. So welcome to Harbor Landing Townhome Community in beautiful Palm Harbor, Florida. Harbor Landing is a premier townhome community nestled in the sunny city of Palm Harbor, Florida. The townhomes that are going to be exemplified here in this beautiful community are the Glen and Vale townhomes that blend comfort and modern convenience, and each residence will boast 3 bedrooms, 2.5 luxurious baths, a 1-car garage with additional 2-car driveways, with all robust concrete block construction on both the first and second floors. This beautiful townhome community has outstanding opportunities for all. As you enter into the home, the kitchen is designed as a home cook's paradise, featuring sleek stainless steel appliances and expansive granite countertops, making meal preparation both enjoyable and efficient. The fully equipped laundry room, complete with a washer and dryer with added convenience, is outstanding in this smart home technology, and it provides unparalleled comfort and peace of mind at your fingertips. Harbor Landing offers low-maintenance lifestyle paired with close proximity to the beautiful beaches and Gulf of Mexico on the west coast of Florida, creating the ideal living environment for all. Embrace the best of what Palm Harbor Living has to offer with our 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1-car garage, 2-story townhomes starting at 1,463 square feet. So give us a call today to learn more and discover the exceptional lifestyle opportunity that awaits you at Harbor Landing. The Florida Realtor, Robert Tynan, looking forward to seeing you here in beautiful Palm Harbor, Florida.